Hi everyone, I'm Paula and welcome back to Jubilant SPR. If you've been following our citrus vinegar journey, your citrus sugar wash has now been fermenting for a full month. That means it's time for the next step, straining out the peels to get your wash ready for its second fermentation. Here I have a large batch of citrus vinegar sugar wash and I'm getting it ready for future distillation. Before we begin, make sure you have the following supplies ready. Your homemade fermented citrus sugar wash after 1 month, strainer or colander, cheesecloth or fine mesh, place the cheesecloth inside the strainer, wooden spoon, plastic container, and food grade bucket. Just want to make sure these supplies are clean to limit the risk of bacteria. I have a clean empty bucket here. Line the strainer with cheesecloth and put over the bucket. You may want to use some clips to hold it in place. This will catch any tiny pulp or debris that could affect the second fermentation. I have a full bucket of fermented liquid here to be distilled in future months. Slowly pour the wash into the strainer. Go slowly to avoid splashing. The liquid will strain through, leaving the peels behind. The strainer can only hold so much, so once it's full of liquid, pause for a while to let it drip. Liquid has now strained through. Repeat the pouring process. Now I still need to pour the rest of the fermented liquid in, but in the meantime I'll transfer these peels to a container. This is a bit of a messy job. Glad I've decided to do this outside the house. Peels flying everywhere. I have managed to tip the rest of the peels into the strainer. Gently press the peels down with a wooden spoon. This will help to extract more liquid. Depending on the size of your strainer, you may have to raise it or move the liquid to another container. Leave the liquid to drip for a while and transfer the peels into a container. These leftover peels can be composted or another batch of vinegar could be made from them. Your citrus wash is now peel-free and ready for its second month of fermentation, where it will truly begin to develop it into vinegar. Cover loosely with a lid or cloth and let ferment about another 4 weeks. Want to see what happens next? Please click the link below or in the description to watch the full vinegar making process from start to finish. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Jubilant fermenting.